Students of Saraswati Institute of Medical Sciences SIMS, based in Hapur district of Uttar Pradesh, have been on strike for the past 3 to 4 days. But what are the reasons? Let's find out in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live. Several students have alleged that the current principal, Saurabh Goel, has mentally harassed them by threatening that he would fail them in their internal examinations, along with several other allegations. Students of SIMS who are on strike met an official today in order to discuss their demands. In the meeting, which went on for more than an hour today, an official confirmed that Principal Goel has resigned from his post, claimed the students. Having said that, what are the demands of students? On the first day of strike, which was on May 24th, students of SIMS wrote a letter to the management highlighting a few demands. Lines of the letter read, and I quote, Principal Sir Dr. Saurabh Goel has mentally harassed many students until now by threatening them to fail in exams. Unnecessary fines are being imposed on students and students want his resignation. End quote. The letter further emphasized several other demands such as stipend for interns to be Rs 12,000 per month, to take down CCTV cameras from hostels as they breach privacy, especially for female students, to stop fining students Rs 1,000 for wearing earphones on campus, charge Rs 2 lakh for extracurricular activities, however, no activities executed yet, question students. Almost all the students from undergraduation, post-graduation and internships are on strike demanding Saurabh Goel, the current principal of the college, to step down from his post. On the second day of the strike, May 25th, a discussion between authorities and students took place on campus where the director R. Dutt assured students that the college principal would be asked to step down, students claimed.
चेयरमैन साहब से बात हुई, मैं आपको सारी बताऊँगा। हम लोग बैठे इसीलिए हैं, मंथन पे हैं, मैडम है, चेयरमैन है, तो हम बात कर रहे हैं उनसे। चेयरमैन ने अल्टीमेटली बोला कि आज यू टेल देम दैट वी आर रिमूविंग डॉक्टर सौरभ।
Now, let us hear it from a protesting student of SIMS who spoke to us on the condition of anonymity.
This side, student from Saraswati Institute of Medical Sciences, Hapur. We have been on strike since last 4 days, that is from 24th May 2024. The issue is with the principal, Dr. Saurabh Goel, who keeps harassing the students, both UGs as well as PGs. We demand that he must be removed from the post of principal, head of the Department of General Surgery and all other posts from the college also. Today, after 4 days, a management person came in talks with us and he assured that management will take some action regarding this and asked us for some time. Thank you.
That's all we have for you today. My name is Siddhi Zozare and this report was done by Harsha Talpramera. For more such education related news, stay tuned to edX Live. We will see you again tomorrow. Till then, stay hydrated and stay safe.